Mastering reported speech. A deep dive into reflexive pronouns. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be diving deep into a crucial aspect of reported speech, changing reflexive pronouns. This topic is especially important for mastering intermediate grammar, and we'll guide you step by step to make this process as easy as possible. First things first, what are reflexive pronouns? In English, we use reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same. Examples of reflexive pronouns include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Here's an example. He cooked dinner for himself. Here, he and himself refer to the same person, hence the use of the reflexive pronoun himself. Now, let's explore how to change reflexive pronouns in reported speech. When we are reporting what someone else said, and we need to use a reflexive pronoun, we need to adjust the reflexive pronoun to match the perspective of the speaker. Consider this direct speech example. John said, "I enjoy cooking for myself." When we turn this into reported speech, the reflexive pronoun, myself, changes to match the subject, John. The reported speech version is, John said that he enjoys cooking for himself. The reflexive pronoun changed from myself to himself to reflect John's perspective. Now, let's put this into practice with some exercises. I'll provide a sentence in direct speech, and your job is to change it to reported speech, paying close attention to the reflexive pronoun. 1. Jane said, "I can do it myself." 2. Tom said, "You can borrow my car if you promise to take care of it yourself." 3. Alice told Bob, "We can finish the project ourselves." The answers are 1. Jane said that she could do it herself. 2. Tom told me that I could borrow his car if I promised to take care of it myself. 3. Alice told Bob that they could finish the project themselves. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on changing reflexive pronouns in reported speech. It's a key element in mastering English grammar, and we hope this video made it a little easier for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these changes in your own time, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Stay tuned for more English language learning videos, and until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving.